Hey guys, Miss Berryman here. So today we're going to be going over a lesson over measuring angles with a protractor. So I know that you guys have measured angles before, but today we're going to be using a really cool thing called a protractor. So we're going to be covering the TEKS today under geometry and measurement. This is going to ask you to start measuring angles under 180 degrees or less with a protractor. So the materials that you're going to need for this activity is copy paper, dry spaghetti, mini marshmallows, your writing journals, something to write with, and a protractor. So before we talk and before we get into our main lesson, what we're going to do is we're going to have to go over our objectives. So what you guys are going to be trying to accomplish during this lesson. So you guys are going to try to measure 5 different angles and explain their descriptors with less than 2 mistakes. So less than 2 mistakes is over a 70, guys. We're going to try to get those grades up. So in this part of the lesson, which we know as exploration, you guys will be creating your own angles with dry spaghetti noodles and mini marshmallows. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick whatever kind of angle you want, if it's an acute angle, an obtuse angle, or a right angle. You guys are going to try to make those without breaking your spaghetti and put them into the marshmallows. So after you guys have completed that, what you're going to do is you're going to trade with your group so that everyone gets a chance to look at your angle, and they're going to measure it with their protractors. So what we're going to do, you guys are going to want to write this on a notepad or a piece of paper so that after everyone is done, you guys can cover together the subject of measuring angles, by asking some questions like the angle that I chose. So if I chose the right angle of 90 degrees and everyone measured it, did they get 90 degrees? And if so, great job. And if not, you need to reevaluate and try to remake your angle to the angle of 90 degrees or the angle that your other classmates got with it. So after this, what you guys are going to do is you're going to get your math journals out and you're going to make a bubble map. You're going to write 3 words that you didn't know before this lesson, how you defined them, and then you're also going to write 1 strength, 1 weakness, and 1 way how you would use measuring angles in your real day-to-day lives.